Merhaba, nasılsınız? Today we will be learning the countries, nationalities, and the languages. So let's just start. As in the previous lessons, I told you how to make the things plural by adding lar or ler. So as we're seeing here, country means ülke. So if I want to say countries, I want to make plural. What you're gonna say? Ülkeler, ülkeler. Okay? Nationality means uyruk, uyruk, or milliyet, we can say. Because uyruk, I guess in Turkish is not that popular. But for uyruk, and to make it nationalities, we will be telling uyruklar. Okay? And the language, to make languages, we're gonna say diller, diller. So let's start with my country, Turkey. Also, the name changed, by the way. I guess it was in 2022, something, 21 or 22. I don't know. It's not Turkey anymore. It's Türkiye. So the country is Türkiye. Ülke, Türkiye. So what we're calling Turkish people, Türk, Türk. Okay? And the language, Turkish, is Türkçe, Türkçe. So if I want to say, I'm speaking Turkish, I will be saying, ben Türkçe konuşuyorum. I'm not gonna write these ones here on this PDF file because in the next one I will be talking about these things on the whiteboard. So that time I will write and I will ask you to repeat and some other stuff that we have done until now. So let's repeat again. Tekrar edelim. Türkiye, Türk, and the language that we will speak, Türkçe. What are you trying to learn? Türkçe, Türkçe. The next country, Filistin, Filistin, Palestine. So, like what we're gonna say to a Palestinian, Filistinli. Again, Filistinli. And their language is Arapça, Arapça. Again, Arapça. The next country, Spain, İspanya. Tekrar, İspanya, İspanya. And a Spanish person, they will call İspanyol. Again, İspanyol, İspanyol. And the Spanish, the language, dil, İspanyolca. Tekrar, İspanyolca, İspanyolca. Like, as you can see there, like Turkish people, Türk. The language, Türkçe. Here, the Spanish people, İspanyol. The Spanish language, İspanyolca. Are you seeing something? Let's look at this one. Germany. Almanya. Tekrar. Almanya. Almanya. German, the people. Alman. Tekrar. Alman. And the language, Almanca. Again, I'm saying the same thing. The Spanish people, Español. The Spanish language, Españolca. The German people, Alman. The German language, Almanca. I don't know if you're seeing something or not. Let's look at this one. Russia, Russia, Russia, Russia. And the Russian people, the Russian, Rus, Rus. Tekrar, Rus. And the Russian language, yeah, Rusça, Rusça. I guess you're seeing something. I'm not sure. The next country, India, Hindistan, Hindistan. Tekrar, Hindistan, Hindistan. By the way, in Turkish, Turkey My country's previous name in international, it was Turkey. And Turkey in Turkish, it means Hindi. Hindi. So basically, it is something related to India, actually. I don't know why people like put Turkey and Turkey. I don't know. Anyways, India, Hindistan. Indian, Hintli. Hintli. Hintli. And the language, Hintçe. Hintçe. I know in India there are more than languages than like Hindi, Tagalog, Malayalam, but we pronounce the same. In English, it's Tagalog, and in Turkish also we will say Tagalog. It's not changing. The next country, by the way, I didn't put them next to each other on purpose. Pakistan, it's Pakistan also in Turkish. Pakistani, it will be Pakistanlı. Pakistanlı. Again, Pakistanlı. Güzel. And the language also is Urdu. In English, in Turkish also it's Urdu. The next country, Çin. China. Çin. Çin. Chinese people, Çinli. Tekrar edelim. Çinli. Çinli. And the Chinese language, dil, Çince. Çince. Tekrar, Çince. Next one, friends. Ülke, Fransa. Fransa. Fransa. French people, Fransız. Fransız. The language, dil, Fransızca. Fransızca. Tekrar, Fransızca. Güzel. The next one, America. If you're gonna say America in Turkish, it will be Amerika. Amerika. Okay? But also for America, we're saying USA, or if we're gonna say all of the words, the United States of America. So in Turkish, like just to translate the things, it will be ABD. ABD. Basically, you're just reading the letters, okay? ABD. And if I want to say all of them as I'm not saying USA and I'm saying United States of America, so in Turkish ABD or Amerika Birleşik Devletleri. United means birleşik. States, devlet. So when we're saying states, like making it plural, so in Turkish, of course, we're gonna say devletler. Okay? So, but it will be enough for in the beginner level to know Amerika or ABD. Okay? For American people, we're gonna call them Amerikan, Amerikan, or Amerikalı, Amerikalı. Both of these two is common in Turkish language, Amerikan or Amerikalı. And the language, English, İngilizce. Tekrar, İngilizce. İngilizce. Güzel. The next country, England, İngiltere. Tekrar, İngiltere. İngiltere. The people, the nationality, İngiliz. İngiliz. Tekrar, İngiliz. And the language, İngilizce. Tekrar edelim. İngilizce. İngilizce. Güzel. Next one. Italy. İtalya. İtalya. İtalya. Also, I don't know if I can write here, but like, do you remember from the first class that I told you E, like stick with a dot? The capital version is this. And if I want to, no, it's hard for me to write here. Like this is no, I can't write like this is the small version of this in the small letters. not in the capital one. So it will still be E, okay? The small one and the capital one, both of them are E. Like just to make a reminder. In English, this is I, and this is the capital version of it, I. But in Turkish, this doesn't exist. That is not correct. Italian, the people, Italian, Italian. And the language, İtalyanca, İtalyanca, İtalyanca. Güzel. The next one, I love Egypt actually. The country, Egypt, Mısır. Also in Arabic, their country is like this. Mısır, Mısır. For if you want to say Egyptian, you will be saying Mısırlı, Mısırlı. But they're Arab, so it will be Arab, Arab. But about Egyptian people and Egypt itself, I heard that they don't call themselves as Arabs. There is a word, but I don't remember now. Forgive me. I don't know. If you know something about this, please let me know. And the language, Arabic, Arapça, Arapça. The next country, South Korea. South means güney, güney, güney. And if you want to talk about the North Korea, you will be saying kuzey, kuzey. Güney Kore, South Korea, North Korea, Kuzey Kore, Kuzey Kore. In Turkish, in the following lessons or A2 level, I don't know which one we will meet again, we will see the adjectives comes before than the word. So when we're saying South Korea, Güney Kore, North Korea, Kuzey Kore. Korean, the people, Koreli, Koreli, Koreli. Like also you can see the country called Kore and the people called Koreli. Here, İran, İranlı. Suriye, Suriyeli. I don't know if you're realizing something or not. It is my maybe like fifth time asking for this. Please make like a relation between them, okay? The language, Korece, C, Korece, Korece. Güzel. The next country, İran, İran, İran. The Iranian people, İranlı, İranlı. The language, Persian, Parsça, Parsça, Parsça, Parsça. The Turkish brother, Greece, sorry. Yunanistan, Yunanistan. The people, the Greek people, Yunan, Yunan. And the language, Yunanca, Yunanca. And Syria, Suriye, Suriye. For Syrian people, if we want to say Syrian, we will be saying Suriyeli. Tekrar, Suriyeli. But they're also Arab, so you can also call them Arap in Turkish. And their language, Arapça, Arapça. And the last country for this A1 level and for this lesson also, Brasilia, Brazil, Brasilia. Like I'm saying syllable to syllable. Brasilia. Tekrar, Brasilia, Brasilia. The people from Brazil, they will be called in Turkish Brezilyalı, Brezilyalı, Brezilyalı. I know it's maybe like a bit long word, but I'm sure you will handle it, no doubts. And the language Portuguese, Portekizce, Portekizce, Portekizce. I will be also sharing this PDF document with you so you can download or whatever you want to do with. See you in the next one. In the next one, we will be talking about how to say Ben Türk'üm. Ben Türkiye'liyim. Türkçe ve İngilizce konuşabiliyorum. And some stuff like this. Maybe right now you don't understand, but I guarantee that the next lesson you will be understanding all the 3 or 4 sentences that I just said now. See you in the next one.